You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, more correct pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. Give a name. This is also the name of an American singer. Jonell, a variant of the name John. It translates to God is gracious. Jonell. How do you pronounce it yourself? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Jonell. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.